In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Relevance AI into your WhatsApp business account. This integration can significantly enhance how you interact with your customers, making your business communications smoother and more efficient. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to visit Relevance AI. This platform is designed to help businesses build their AI workforce, making it easier to integrate AI into your everyday operations. The first thing you need to do once you're on the site is to locate and click on the Login button. If you already have an account, simply enter your email address in the provided field. Click Continue, and you'll be prompted to enter your password. After typing in your password, click Continue again, which will take you to your dashboard. Once you're inside the Relevance AI dashboard, find the Tools section. Clicking on this will open up options for you to select or create new tools. You'll want to click on Plus New Tool. This will give you the choice to select a pre-existing tool, create one, or build one from scratch based on your specific needs. After choosing to create or build a tool, you'll need to click on Add Step and search for WhatsApp as the next step. When you see WhatsApp for Business in the search results, click on it. This choice will allow you to configure how your AI interacts with WhatsApp Business. Now, an important part of this process is configuring your input block. This is crucial because the input block will collect vital data you need for sending messages. You should ensure your input block collects the recipient's phone number, message text, and any optional media URLs for images, documents, or videos that you might want to include. Once your input is configured, the next step is mapping these inputs to an API request. Click the API block to start this process. You need to map each field accurately. Map the recipient's phone number to the To field, the message content, whether it's text or media, to the Message field, and define the message type, such as text, image, or video, in the Type field. After mapping your inputs to the API request, it's time to test everything by clicking on Run Step. This will execute the specific step you are working on to see if everything functions as expected. If you're satisfied that everything is running smoothly, follow this by clicking Run Tool. This final step will run your configured tool in its entirety, demonstrating how it works live. There you have it, a full integration of Relevance AI with WhatsApp Business. This integration can hugely benefit your business by leveraging AI to automate and enhance your customer communications. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have a seamless setup without any hitches. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your integration.